Yes, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. Ball lang. Here's my long beans, shrimp, tomato, onion, pumpkin. Pumpkin is good for eye health, skin health, and lady finger. And my saluyot, green leafy vegetable. Mixed vegetables. I just boiling with water and put all the ingredients here. First the onion in the tomato, and then after the pumpkin in the shrimp. While I'm boiling the other vegetables, I'm gonna clean the saluyot. This is, we call it saluyot in Tagalog. I don't know in English. I boil the water and then I put the onion and the tomato inside. And then follow with the pumpkin and shrimp. While boiling other vegetables, I need to clean the leaves, so green leafy vegetables. Some of the vegetable is rich in vitamin, minerals, magnesium, fiber. The pumpkin is good for eyesight and skin health. And this one good for high in fiber to help blood circulation and control blood pressure and blood sugar. Also the lady finger. The long beans o sitaw ang Tagalog, rich in magnesium. Some of the vegetable good for digestive system. Vitamin K good for cardiovascular, heart health, bone health, to boost immune system, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, anti-cancer properties. Anyway, if you like my video guys, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much.